This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for March 15th, 2023. It's currently February 3rd, 2023, 4:55 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have move to the upside even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds. There's quite a few things that are important about the 15th, guys. One thing to point out is that there's 4 aces on this one-day reading. Rarely do you see all 4 aces in one reading. And it also is interesting when we look at the 1 month, we have back-to-back aces over this period as well, the 14th and the 15th. So there's definitely some really important stuff going on. Chart-wise, there's probably quite a lot of swings and price moves, like big moves. Behavior around the highest high for the day on the 15th. We have a move higher through key resistance. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through that same price level shortly thereafter with the full retracement back down to where that move to the upside started. Makes like a capital A in the English language kind of pattern with the price level that it breaks through momentarily being like the horizontal line. Hi. And then behavior around the low, there's a key reversal that'll it'll really stand out on a 1 day. It's not like we're going to hang out for long near the lows there. There's a reversal, prominent reversal that stands out. I'm advised to trade around an unexpected and improbable move. Looks like I got that devil card again. It looks like a decline move. And then the other thing that's important to point out when we look at the 1 month, this is where we have right here on the cusp of the 14th, 15th is where we have most likely probability of a highest high for the month. There's also a significant trade opportunity to short here. See, we've got Ace of Swords energy, Ace of Wands energy. It's all aces today, and then we've got the 4 aces throughout the day. I mean, well, technically one is speaking of tomorrow, but still it appeared on this prediction with all 4 others. In the pre-market, first off, we likely opened higher in the pre-market, and then we sold from an overbought crest or peak to a support level, and then we rotate sideways along that key support in the pre-market into the rally that commences around the open. That rally offers an opportunity to open up a short position, and then we decline in that first half hour, it looks like, or maybe in the first hour and a half. We decline pretty notably. Come here, buddy. We decline pretty notably in the first hour and a half, I'd say, through a support level that we recently broke through once before. And then we have this opportunity to open up some protection again. So there's there's a lot of volatility going on, or I should say price swings going on here. So there's more than one opportunity for sure, it looks like, to open up some protection here. There's opportunity, it looks like, around 10:15, and then around 11 we have a big move to the upside standing out on the 1 day chart. It'll be likely out of a bit of a decline or out of a low, and it'll take us to key resistance to that Ace of Swords energy again, or the Ace of Swords price level again. This is probably the last time we bump through it, and then there's quite a bit of volatility. There's a decline that starts around 12 o'clock, another trade opportunity at a trough around 12:15, and then we have a notable move to the upside around 12:45, with a possible breakout, at least temporarily. I'm advised not to chase that move to the upside. We meet resistance at a high somewhere around around 1 o'clock. In the midst of a rally. That rally again offers an opportunity to open up a short position. And there's an Ace of Discs in there, so there's a key support level, looks like, Well, there's a sharp decline here that starts around 2 o'clock too, maybe a little sooner than 2 o'clock. Takes us to a key support level and a trade opportunity again, but that one's more like to close out of a short position most likely. If you wanted to do like a day trade, that would be a good place. We'll be rotating along key support, and then towards the end of the day, off of that key support, we end the rotation with a fast sudden move to the upside, followed by around the close a sideways fluctuating decline that precedes a bit of a move to the upside to reach for a resistance level we've already tried to break through at least once throughout the day. Today, probably more than once. We failed to break through it in the post market, and we declined through key support again. Looks like we open higher with a sharp decline on the 16th. And that's the S&P 500 for March 15th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure you follow that rule of karma. If you plan to profit from this information and you don't want life throwing you curveballs, like the information's most likely right. I mean, it is most of the time, so the information's most likely right. Whether or not you make money from it is a different story. Life happens. The universe will not allow people who aren't following the rule of karma to profit from this information for very long. And to keep yourself from being one of those individuals, make sure that you follow the rule of karma every time you make money. Not like someday down the you know, in our head in the future. The present is the only time, and you create patterns here in the present. So make sure you take care of it when it happens. And the universe will pay it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.